Top 10 uses for essential oils. In this video you will discover the top 10 uses for essential oils and what are the best uses and treatments. These tips will serve you all your life. So, please stay to the end of this video. It's worth it. There are many uses for essential oils that can greatly benefit your health. We've narrowed it down to the top 10 uses for essential oils. If you're new to using essential oils, you might want to do some research before you dive in. There are many different ways to get the health benefits out of essential oils, and some methods work better than others. 1. Ease anxiety. There are many essential oils that can help to treat anxiety disorders and even soothe anxiety as it crops up. The two most useful methods for these benefits are infusing a bubble bath with a few drops of essential oil like lavender or diffusing them into a small room, breathing deeply. 2. Treat migraines. Essential oils can be used to treat migraines, relieving the harsh pain that plagues migraine sufferers frequently. Peppermint oil, lavender oil, and a few others can all help to relieve stubborn migraine pain. 3. Treat inflammation. Some essential oils work great to ease and minimize inflammation. Typically, it works best when applied via a topical ointment or lotion to the inflamed area. This can help to minimize and ease inflammation, which might also result in less pain. 4. Treat insomnia. Like a soothing glass of warm milk, certain essential oils can help to induce or encourage sleep, helping those struggling with insomnia. The best method to reap these benefits is by diffusing the oils and breathing in deeply, allowing the aromatherapy to do its thing. 5. Lessen stress. Essential oils can help to lessen the effects of stress. By breathing the oils deeply through the practice of aromatherapy, you're absorbing them quickly, letting the relaxing effect soothe away your stress. 6. Ease joint pain. Many essential oils can provide relief from pain when applied topically to the joint with an infused ointment or lotion. This is a good natural alternative to the harsh pain medications those with chronic joint pain typically rely on. 7. Treat arthritis pain. Arthritis is a huge problem for many people, and treating pain without narcotics is rare. Essential oils applied topically to the affected area can provide relief from arthritis pain naturally, without the need for narcotics. This will help to ease the pain and decrease inflammation. 8. Improve focus. Some essential oils help to improve your focus. The best way to get the most benefit out of these essential oils is to breathe deeply while diffusing them. For the best results, do this while doing the task you're trying to focus better on. 9. Treat skin irritation. Many essential oils will treat a range of skin conditions, from acne to irritation and dryness. By applying them topically to the affected areas, you can reduce irritation and inflammation, decrease acne, and even stop itching on dry or irritated skin. 10. Improved immune health. You can use many essential oils to promote your immune system health. Applied topically, absorbed through aromatherapy practices, or consumed in a beverage or food, essential oils can help ensure your immune system is functioning at its best. There are many uses for essential oils to help improve your life, mood, health, and sleep. Essential oils are a natural, affordable, and effective alternative to many harsh drugs that most people rely on as the sole treatments for these conditions. If you're new to essential oils, we recommend you research them fully before getting started. There are proper ways to go about getting the most out of your essential oils. Certain benefits will be more pronounced and effective when accessed in a specific way, such as diffusing, ingesting, or topically. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up.